People in Niagara Falls are looking for answers today after an explosion in the Legends Park last night. Within the last 15 minutes, the police chief said the ATF and FBI have helped with this investigation. As of right now, police are waiting for forensic results to come back in. They hope it will reveal what happened around 8:30 last night. News 4's Katie Alexander has the latest from the scene.
It's pretty quiet here in Legends Park today, but you can see what's left from yesterday's explosion. A lot of people around here said they really heard it and felt it.
And I heard something go boom, and I thought somebody was like breaking in my house or something going on. The roof shook.
I just heard a big boom and it moved the car and the light. I didn't see nothing else. I was sitting right there at the light right there, and when it made the boom, like the whole back of the car pushed me up.
That explosion left a scorched crater almost a foot long in the pavement. And it's left a lot of people around here trying to figure out who did this and why.
This incident, unnecessary. It's a bad prank. To me, this is bad.
And it was certainly pretty scary. Take a look at this surveillance video from the Oakwood Cemetery about 3 blocks away. You can see the bright flash of light right in the middle of the screen. Moments later, what looks like smoke is rising from that area. While police say there have been no reports of injuries or damage, they did get a lot of calls about the noise.
Heard a big old bang. I know I was at home in the basement. It actually caught my attention, my kids' attention. Came outside, didn't see nothing. Next thing you know, I checked my Facebook page, and everybody was talking about the loud noise.
So the question is, what exploded? Police are not saying at this point. Area law enforcement combed the park for hours last night, bringing in a bomb-sniffing dog to help. We've had no word about what that search turned up, but today city leaders are saying the area is safe.
It was crazy.
Police say they are still investigating. Reporting in Niagara Falls, Katie Alexander, News 4.